goes there!
Not now, Sid. Tape? Why is there tape?
Fans can't come past this point.
I'm not a fan.
Well, why are you dressed as Nova then, huh?
What? I am Nova.
She is pretty convincing. If we weren't such top security guards, she might have fooled us. Luckily, I just saw the real Nova go in.
She's not that convincing. There's something off. What is it?
It's her nose.
How dare you? Let me pass right now!
She got the voice spot on, though. Now, listen you. Run along. Don't make us use the Z3 defense matrix. Woohoo! We just stopped our first attempt at unauthorized entry. Go team! Go us!
Set list. Watch out for love means never having to tidy my room. She's moved it to 9th. Choreography sent to the system. The bit where they make the shape of a dancing elephant is brilliant. Lighting setup already programmed. Oh, and you'll need this. Nova invented a new colour. Your password is snoozy time. 2 O's.
McLaren, I can't find my zoomy CE thingy. Microscope. Brilliant, thanks.
Nova?
I'm upset. Help me, I'm upset.
What's the matter?
On TV. They're going to pick where I perform at random. At random.
I know. We agreed it months ago. Remember? I've got it all in hand. Your song lists, all chosen. Choreography, programmed. The colour you've invented's been added to the light.
I do love my new colour. I'm calling it Brian.
Nice. Very warm.
It's just, if I don't know which planet we're going to, how can I know what to wear?
Whoa. Hang on. What to wear? What else would Mega Music star Nova Jones wear to a brand new planet but... brand new Ciara!
Wait, what is that?
A cuddly toy animal called Gurgle?
I don't like it.
It's weird. It's a pet that hardly moves. Well, stay calm. I can't have ordered the wrong thing. That wouldn't be very me, would it? Look at all this packaging. No, none of this can be recycled. I'll be sending a complaint. Oh, but please calm down!
My little pumpkin strudel. Do you love your cuddles? Yeah, you do, Gurgle. Look at his little face.
With Boodlebegan fever sweeping the galaxy, do we have an exclusive for you? Give a big wave to the singer from the north of space, Neve Shimmering. I can wave my feet. Hopefully the song you're performing on Boodlebegan isn't quite so cheesy. This is all just a dream come true. That is, if you dream about entering Boodlebegan, I mean, which I do. But I also once dreamt that I was a bouncy castle and only cactuses could jump for me. So it's not that dream come true, I hope. Okay, awesome.
Oh, she's a bit different. She could score the full 10 fingers this year. Did you? Popcorn.
A bit different. I've never lost to anyone without shoes before. I've never lost to anyone with shoes either. So, watch out, the teleport button!
Why do they always put the important buttons in all the comfy spots?
This show is the ideal place to announce my entry to the Boodlebegan Song Contest. Sid, do that beamy thing. Beamify me in.
No. 1, beamify isn't a word. 2, teleporting is a very precise and risky operation. And 3, you can't enter Boodlebegan because...
Well, Neve, it's still anyone's guess who might win Boodlebegan.
Actually, Bubbles, I can tell you and McLaren exactly who will win.
Is it a purple frog in a biker jacket?
What? No, neither. Me. It's me. Me-self shall be entering and winning the Boodlebegan Song Contest. Sus.
Red hot exclusive. But Nova, how? If you're not from the Boodle Beacon Galaxy, surely that's impossible.
Oh, sorting impossible things is what McLaren does. She loves it.
No going back now. She's announced it to the universe.
Sid, beamify.
Still no such word.
No, Sid, stop! You can't beam two pop stars at once. Oh, no. They've been hip-hopped.
I don't think I've ever had another person attached to me before.
I'm not attached to you. You're attached to me. McLaren, get her off me. I'm a solo artist. McLaren, solo.
Oh, and should I fix this impossible thing before or after the other impossible thing you want me to fix? Getting you into Boodle Beacon!
At the same time.
I can unhip-hop them. I just need to reverse the process. Same buttons, but backwards. It's easy. Well, it sounds easy.
Yes, fine, do it. What? Yes, of course Nova's eligible for Boodle Beacon. Somehow.
Simple, Sid. Remember this motto. What would Cap do?
What would Cap do? What would Cap do? What would Cap do?
Don't worry, Neve. We'll get those toes on a Boodle Beacon stage in no time.
Never mind what Cap would do. What are we gonna do?
We could get something to eat. I've never had two tummies before.
There's no way I can do the audition or Jellyzania. But you're Nova Jones. You should be scared of anything. Well, exactly, Wait, what, Blop? Hi. I'm Avone. As in, Nova spelled backwards. A-V-O-N. Avon. It's Avone. The Spacefair mirror. Careful. You don't want to get sucked into the mirror world. I'm joking. That's not possible. So, are you really, really famous here or what? I usually had about 10 more reelies. Are you not famous? No, I'm your reflection. Some stuff the same, some totally opposite. Opposite how? Like, what number am I thinking of? One. Because why would you think of any number that isn't number one? Salad. Terrible or tasty? Totally tasty. What's your best selfie face? What's your fave thing to do when bored? Shout my sister's name really loud? Same. Johnnicky. Rubbish or radical? Okay, enough of that. I think it's time these twinnies had some fun.
The red stick is indexed to the red folder. The blue stick is indexed to the blue folder. The purple stick is indexed to the secondary filing system.
Hey, McLaren.
Going Nova.
Hey, McLaren.
Coming Nova. Wait, what?
McLaren. McLaren, I demand attention.
Nova. What?
I know. How am I doing it? Is it a mystical diva ability powered by my musical success?
No, there are two of you. Probably from that silly science fiction mirror you won at the space fair.
Aww.
Still, well done. On a day everyone's talking about fears, you've managed to create my biggest nightmare. 2 Novas.
Oh, look at Nova and Avon. It's just like dancing in the mirror.